Hi everyone, this is my Christmas My Style 2018 collaboration hosted by Catherine at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. The aisles here is from Dollar Tree, Big Lots, and Joann's Fabrics. Using strips of the foam sheet, you're going to wrap it around the wreath from one end to the other using this technique. Using any tape of your choice to secure it as you go. Once you have secured this, the next step is doing the same procedure that you did with this, the same techniques, and then to do that with your fabric. Okay, so you will cut your fabric into strips and do the same thing on top of this. To give it a nice clean look, you want to iron down your edges of all your strips before applying. Use your glue gun on low temperature. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks, Catherine, for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and there will be a playlist link down below. Using the gathering technique, you want to gather the fabric that you use on the back of the wreath all the way around. You can put as many layers as you want, and this is my end result. Thank you for watching. See you next time for more home decor and DIYs. And to all my subscribers, thank you, amores.